I want to show you this heated water hose for your RV or for use outside in the winter if you want to feed your animals or things like that. It's actually really cool. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me so we can do an unbox. It's not quite snowing here yet, but we're going to certainly use this in the winter. Open it up and basically heat coil rubber shrink into a nice big garden hose. So first thing, there's a strap to keep the garden hose together. I like the looks of that, especially storing it in an RV. You open this up and it says in the winter if it's cold and stiff, you want to turn it on and heat it up a little bit before you use it. But the features of it, it's actually really pretty cool. Here's the plug, and then you'll notice this is a water adapter because this is a double length, double connector. So what that means is this side can connect on your house and plug in if you have a plug next to your house, or this side with the adapter could plug into your RV end, and you could plug this into an adapter at the RV. So it just depends on the orientation of where you are. If you want to hook up at an RV camp spot and the water connector is right next to the electric connector, you would put this out on the water spigot end, and then you would put this end in your RV, or vice versa. So it's a double-ended. It's really kind of ingenious the way that it says that. It also says that it will not start working till it gets to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. So you don't need to plug it in or worry about plugging it in the summer or anything else like that. It won't start connecting. And then the instructions also say that if it's completely lock, stock, frozen, like you left it out overnight and your power went off or something, plug it in and in 1 hour the water will all be warm and flowing. So you can see that it's just basically got this heat element shrink taped right around a nice big heavy garden hose. This one's 25 feet. I'm really kind of excited to use it in the winter. I like the fact that it's universal double-ended. So once again, thank the manufacturer. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me. I'm going to get some good use out of this in my RV. I think this is a super cool product. I'm excited to have it and use it this winter. It's nice and heavy duty. I'll put a link to it down in the description of this video. And once again, this is a pretty cool thing to have with your RV. Even if it just sneaks up on you one night and gets cold when you didn't expect it was going to get cold and your hose freezes, this will thaw it right out. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell your mom.